Okay, question number 28. A transformer with 600 turns in the primary coil, 600 turns in the primary coil, which means what? N primary is given, is used to change an alternating RMS value potential difference from 240 to 12 volts. 240 to 12 volts, which means what? This is your primary voltage and this is your secondary voltage. When connected to a secondary coil, a lamp labeled 120 volt, 12 volts lights normally, 120 watt, okay, 12 volts light normally, okay. So this is your output power. The current in the primary coil is current in the primary coil IP is also given. Lamp is lit. What are the number of secondary turns and efficiency of a transformer? Okay, so what is the equation here? The equation is N. What is been asked? Secondary turns, right? Right. Ns by Np is equal to Vs by Vp. Is Vs given? Vs is given. Vp is given. Just substitute that. Vs. What is value of Vs? 12 and Vp 240. So Ns should be equal to 12 ones are 12 twos are, which should be equal to 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 multiplied by Np. What is Np? 600 turns. 600. So 0, this should be equal to 30. So N is equal to 30. So these two are incorrect. So these two should be the correct ones. Then efficiency. How do you find efficiency? The efficiency is output by input. Output by input. So as a result of it, so what do you get here? What is output? Output is, what is output? 12 volt. 12 volt divided by input. What is the input? Input is V primary into I primary, right? So let us substitute that value. So this should be 12 volt divided by V primary. What is V primary? V primary is 240 and I primary is 0.6. So 240 multiplied by 0.6. So how much will this be? 12 ones are 12, 20s are 20 into 0.6 should be 2 into 6, which is 1 by 12. Okay, what is 1 by 12? So let us find out what is it. 1 by 12 is my calculator. Okay, so this should be 1 divided by 12 should be 0.0833, right? 0.0833, or this should be, if you multiply this by 100, you get this as 83%. So answer should be 30 and 83%. Answer is D.